Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the nitty-gritty of living a healthier, happier life. Have you ever heard that using your phone before bed can be as bad as drinking a cup of coffee? Yes, you heard that right. It might sound surprising, but the impact on your sleep can be just as detrimental. Yep, you heard right. It's shocking, but true. The blue light emitted by our phones can mess with our sleep patterns in ways we often overlook. But don't worry, we're here to break it all down for you and help you understand why this happens and what you can do about it. Before we move on, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Our smartphones emit blue light, which tricks our brains into thinking it's still daytime. This blue light interferes with our natural sleep-wake cycle, making it harder for us to fall asleep. This delays the release of melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep-wake cycle. Melatonin is crucial for signaling to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Imagine trying to fall asleep when your brain thinks it's noon. It's no wonder so many of us struggle with insomnia or restless nights. Now let's talk about the benefits of ditching that nightly scroll. By putting your phone away before bed, you can significantly improve your sleep quality. First off, you'll fall asleep faster. Also, we have video with 5 tips that will help you fall asleep faster, so you can watch that one too. When your brain isn't battling against blue light, it can produce melatonin naturally, helping you drift off peacefully. This means you won't be lying awake for hours, staring at the ceiling. And the quality of your sleep? It skyrockets. Without the digital distraction, your brain can go through its vital sleep cycles uninterrupted, leaving you refreshed and energized in the morning. Without the digital distraction, your brain can go through its vital sleep cycles uninterrupted, leaving you refreshed and energized in the morning. You'll wake up feeling more rested and ready to take on the day. Oh, and let's not forget about your mood. Better sleep means a happier you. When you get enough quality sleep, your mood improves and you're less likely to feel irritable or stressed. Better sleep means a happier you. You'll wake up feeling more positive, less stressed, and ready to tackle the day with a smile on your face. You'll wake up feeling more positive, less stressed, and ready to tackle the day. This positive mindset can have a ripple effect on your entire day, making you more productive and focused. Plus, giving up your phone before bed can boost your productivity. A well-rested brain is sharper and more focused, allowing you to accomplish more throughout the day. A well-rested brain is sharper and more focused. Imagine all the things you can achieve with that morning boost. You'll be able to concentrate better, make better decisions, and be more creative. Imagine all the things you can achieve with that morning boost. Whether it's at work, school, or in your personal projects, you'll find yourself more capable and motivated. So here's a quick tip. Try setting a phone curfew. No screens at least an hour before bed. This simple change can make a world of difference in your sleep quality. Instead, pick up a book, meditate, or simply unwind. These activities can help you relax and prepare your mind for a good night's sleep. Your mind and body will thank you. You'll find it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep, leading to better overall health and well-being. Now, we would love to hear from you. Have you tried cutting out phone time before sleep? How did it go? Share your experiences and tips with us. Drop your experiences in the comments below. Your insights could help others on their journey to better sleep. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word about the importance of good sleep hygiene. Let's all aim for better sleep and healthier lives. Together, we can make small changes that lead to big improvements in our overall well-being. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams. Until next time, take care and sleep well.